Welcome students. Today we are going to start with our practice set 28 of chapter 6, that is indices. On the previous practice set 27 we have seen rule for indices, and we have first rule we have studied about this: a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. If there is a multiplication, then we are adding the above powers. The base is same and we are adding the powers. Now we will see the second rule of law of indices, that is a raised to m divide a raised to n is equals to a raised to m minus n. This is our second law of indices which we are going to use now in practice set 28. See, for example, if 6 raised to 7 divide 6 raised to 5, then what will be the answer? See here, compare this left hand side. In place of a, the base is same, 6. What is the power of 6? 7. Here what is the power of 5? If there is a division sign, what we have to do? You have to write the base one time and we have to subtract the powers. If there is a division, what we have to do? We have to subtract the powers. So 7 minus 5. So 6 raised to 7 minus 5 will be what? 6 raised to 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. So 6 raised to 2. So this is the second law which we have to use for practice set 28. First law was this: if there is a multiplication sign, we were adding. Now if the division sign is there, we are subtracting. So let us start with that based on this law. Practice set 28. See the question number 1, simplify. First one, a raised to 6 divide a raised to 4. So here is a division, base is same a. So write the base a one time, then subtract the above powers, 6 minus 4. So a raised to 6 minus 4 is what? 2. So what is the answer? A raised to 2. Now come to the second sum. M raised to 5 divide m raised to 8. Now again check the base. Base is same. So write the base m one time. 5 divide means you have to subtract, minus 5 minus 8. So m raised to 5 minus 8. 5 can't be subtracted from 8. Subtract 8 from 5, it will be 3. And the sign of greater number is minus. So what is the answer now? M raised to minus 3. Come to the third one. P raised to 3 divide by P raised to 13. Base is same P. So write the base P one time. Subtract the above powers, 3 minus 13. So similarly 13 minus 3 will be 10. Sign of greater number minus. So P raised to minus 10. Come to the fourth sum. X raised to 10 divide x raised to 10. So write the base. Base is same x. Write x. 10 minus 10. Divide means you have to subtract. So x raised to 10 minus 10 is 0. And anything raised to 0, the answer is 1. Because there is one more law of indices. Third law, that is a raised to 0. If any number it is raised to 0, the answer is 1. This is also one of the law. If 3 raised to 0, then the answer will be 1. Any number, suppose 10 raised to 0, the answer is 1. These are the examples. So this is our third law. A raised to 0 means in place of a there will be any number. Any number raised to 0, the answer will be 1. So here also x raised to 0, any number or any alphabet. So the answer we will take it as 1. So here the answer is 1. So we have seen our question number 1. Now let's move to our question number 2 of practice set 28. Question number 2 is find the value. Let's find this. Minus 7 raised to 12 divide minus 7 raised to 12. Base is same. Minus 7, write it one time. 12 divide means what you have to do? Minus 12 minus 12. Subtract the above powers. So minus 7 raised to 12 minus 12 is 0. And just now we have seen that anything raised to 0, a raised to 0, according to this law of indices, minus 7 raised to 0, the answer will be 1. So the value we got it as 1. Let's move to the second. 7 raised to 5 divide 7 raised to 3. Base is same 7. Write it one time. Subtract the above powers because it is division. 5 minus 3. So 7 raised to 5 minus 3 is what? 2. Now we can't left the answer like this because we have to find the value. So 7 raised to 2 means 7 will be multiplied how many times? 2 times. So 7 7 is what? 49. So what is the value of this answer? 49. Here we can't leave the answer like this. We have to multiply with that how many powers down numbers. 7 into 7. 7 7 is 49. Let's see the third sum. 4 upon 5 raised to 3 divided by 4 upon 5 raised to 2. Base is same 4 upon 5, so write it one time. 3 and 2 are the powers and there is a division, so you will subtract 3 minus 2. So 4 upon 5 raised to 3 minus 2 is 1. Now 4 upon 5 raised to 1, we have studied this already. That anything raised to 1 is, answer is same, A. So here 4 upon 5 will be as it is, 4 upon 5. Now fourth one, 4 raised to 7 divide 4 raised to 5. Base is same 4, write it one time. Subtract the above powers, 7 minus 5. So 4 raised to 7 minus 5 is 2. So 4, how many times you will multiply? 2 times. 4 4 is 16. So what is the answer? 16. So this is the value. So we have seen practice set 28. In the next part we will see practice set 29. Till then revise all the laws of indices.